What do we have here? He's starting off bad, straight to jail. Booty bump chiropractic, and you snatching the neck. What? This man think he think Vince McMahon. Wow. You jumped up. Why you need to get that angle though? You putting your tank on his back and you slapping like you putting the skid mark adjustment. You just walking up and down. Who signed up for this? Who asked for this? Who trained this man? Who trained this man? And you wearing a mask like that's what they worried about. They worrying about death. Death by your hands. You can't. You worrying about a virus, man. You slap the man in the ear. He can't hear nothing no more. Where is this at? Joe, I ain't going. They have another draft. I ain't going. I'm not.